welcome on into Weekend Planner. I am your host, Braden Thornton, and we are going to help you plan out your weekend, at least weather-wise. First, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Braden's Top 3. For the first story here, plain severe. We got some severe weather going on for several days across the plains. Go to Storm Prediction Center's website for more information about this, but you gotta be on the lookout. Hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes are all possible. For number 2, Northern Plains blizzard. Yet another big late season winter storm is going to strike not only North Dakota, but also parts of Montana and into Wyoming as well. Some very heavy snowfall can be expected, up to 2 feet in some areas. So just don't do anything. Just don't go anywhere Friday and Saturday, as that's supposed to go down. For number 3, spring warmth takes over, mainly the eastern 2/3 of the country. Widespread 80s and even some 90s in some isolated locations. But either way, 80s all the way up into Detroit, Chicagoland area. It's just going to be gorgeous this weekend. And to tell you more about that gorgeous weekend, let's hop right into the rest of our show. So for your out-the-door forecast for Saturday, partly cloudy and windy. Highs will be in the low 80s, winds south at 15 to 25 miles per hour, and higher wind gusts are possible. So, very nice day to get out and about here, but if you're going to be, barbecuing or whatever, you might want to, tie down the napkins because they do tend to blow away in windy conditions. And as for Saturday night, partly cloudy skies, lows are in the mid-60s and winds south at 10 to 20 miles per hour. So yeah, not too bad if you just want to take a little stroll at night, go clubbing, other activities you do at nighttime. Have some fun because it's going to be nice. And on Sunday, it's mostly cloudy with showers and possibly a thunderstorm in the afternoon. Windy, highs in the low 70s. Winds will be south-southwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour, and higher wind gusts are also possible here as well. So temperatures are nice, but it's gonna rain. So really not the best day to do things here. So if you want to enjoy your weekend, Saturday is definitely going to be your best day to do that. And all right, here's your outdoor activity comfort index for Saturday. Look at that. Green. That's what we like to see. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Just beautiful day all around. No rain. Only thing is there might be a little wind, but that won't deter you. It actually feel good though if it's going to be in the low 80s. So yeah, look forward to that. I definitely look forward to that as we head into Saturday. Now for Sunday, you see we don't have any greens here. Got oranges and we got reds. In the morning hours, I put decent because there's a chance it might rain, there's a chance it might not rain, but it's still going to be relatively warm in the morning hours. So maybe you can get out and do something in the morning. But then as we head in towards into the afternoon hours, conditions get poor because that's when we have our chance of rain and even some thunderstorms. But it's still going to be kind of warm, so if we don't get as many thunderstorms as expected, it might be all right. And the same goes for the evening hours, and then we head into the nighttime hours. Things will be decent as things clear out and dry up, and it'll still be relatively warm. Although the cold front is going to come through, so maybe not as warm, maybe the 50s, so it might be a little chilly. But regardless, yeah, it's gonna be all right in the morning and at night. But in between, that's when we have our storm, and that's why I had it highlighted as poor. All right, for our weather word of the weekend, our word this weekend is grapple. Grapple, also called soft hail, hominy snow, or snow pellets, is precipitation that forms when super cold water droplets are collecting and freeze on falling snowflakes, forming 2 to 5 millimeter balls of crisp, opaque rime. So it's kind of like a cross between sleet and snow. Not necessarily hail, but kind of think of like Dippin' Dots, actually. That's what somebody described it before, I remember. So, yeah, it's interesting here. And every time I say this word, people are like, what's that? So, now you know if you're watching this show. And that is going to do it for this week edition of Weekend Planner. I finally had some nice weather to tell you all about. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of Weekend Planner here. And have a good one. Get out there, and I'll see you all in the next one.